subscribe with notifications on.
Alright. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today we are coming up with another banger, guys. Today we're coming up with another banger. I'm gonna be sharing some few things, guys, about you, about life. There are so many things that people don't understand. You know, we wanna always talk about life. We wanna always talk about people complaining about foreigners. People complaining about, hey, these people are taking our jobs. These people are doing this and this and this. But guys, listen to me. It's your problem. If you are suffering, it's your own problem. You see people who are sitting at home, who are complaining, who doesn't have jobs, who doesn't have nothing. But listen to me, they complain forever. They complain to the government. They complain to to many people. Guys, listen, let me tell you something. You cannot make money part-time. Making money is not a part-time job. If you want to be successful, you want to be serious. Be serious about life. Know what you're here for. Understand your position. Understand who you are. Come to the point where you know you can tell yourself that I'm going to be successful. I'm going to be this person. I'm going to try my best. Stop fighting foreigners for what purposes? You are fighting for foreigners for what? I mean, listen to me. We're supposed to be using these foreigners as a link to link up with them and making money. But you guys are not doing it. You are fighting them. Why are you fighting them? Eh? Why are you fighting them, guys? Why are you fighting these foreigners? Eh? Why are you fighting these foreigners? Why are you fighting these African brothers and sisters? Instead of you helping, learning from them. You guys learning from them. You cannot make money part-time. Making money is a full-time job. Some people wanna make money, but they wanna make money. They always complain about foreigners. They complain about this and this and this. But every time they're in the clubs, they're in the pubs, they're doing all those type of things. How are you gonna be making money? How are you gonna be successful? How are you gonna do that? You want to make money? Wake up in the morning. Go out there. Go sit on the street. Go start something. Start selling. Do something. Get something. The 350 you are getting, man, can actually make you something. Can take you somewhere, man. Huh? Why are you gonna sit at home and complain and say, oh no, South Africans, no, they're taking our jobs. That's why these women are leaving. You guys are going to these foreigners because you guys are not being responsible. And you want to complain to them and say, no, these Nigerians, you are harassing them, you are bullying them, you are beating them, you are doing everything. Learn from these foreigners. Learn from them. Do something. Get something, understand? Guys, come on. Why are you doing this? Number one rule of making money is one thing. You must stop caring what people are going to say about you. Huh? Some of you guys always complain and say, no, they are going to laugh at me. My girlfriend is going to start seeing me that I'm on the street, I'm selling tomatoes on the street. Some people are even saying, no, selling is for foreigners. How come you say selling is for foreigners, but you are sitting at home, you are suffering, you don't have nothing, you don't have money, you are suffering, you've got nothing. Listen to me, man. If you take your hands and put it in your pocket, and if you can't find 2 rand, you must know you are broken. You are not broke, but if you can take your hands and put it in your pocket and find 2 rand, you must know that you are broke. Come on, guys. Why complaining about people? Why complaining about foreigners? Huh? Come on. You must understand you gotta be able to do something for yourself. You gotta be able to do something for your lives. Stop complaining. The more you complain, the more you're making us feel better. We don't care about you. The more you complain, the more you're making us feel better. We don't care about you complaining. You can complain, you can claim it, you can blame it, you can do whatever. But at the end of the day, you are complaining, you'll keep on complaining, you'll keep on blaming Nigerians, you'll keep on. Listen to me. If one Nigerian is selling drugs, that doesn't mean that Nigerian represents all non-Nigerians who is selling drugs in South Africa. Don't call each and every one of them a drug dealers. Don't call each and every one of them all those type of things. Hold on a second, guys, I'm coming. Yeah, so guys, sometimes you must go and listen to there's this guy, Kate McKenzie. This is Kate McKenzie. You must listen to this guy. He always motivates people. Always motivates people. You know, I think I'm gonna just quickly maybe take let me just, for you guys to listen. Hold on a second. You know, just for you guys to listen.
Salute to you. Well, this is your platform. Please share this morning's message.
Alright, chap, today we're talking about you can't make money part-time.
Okay.
You know, there's so many guys out there, guys and girls out there, they want to be rich. They always talk about money. They say, I want to have this, I want to have that, or whatever, but they don't understand. You know, making money is not the easy thing. People will say to you that, yeah, people with money will say to you, they made it easy. They're lying. Making money is very, very hard. Making money needs focus. You can't make money part-time. So many people out there want to make money, but they are in the clubs, they are partying the whole day, they are sitting in the taverns, they are sitting at the different businesses, not concentrate on making money. Making money is a full-time job. So wherever you are today, if you want to make money, you must understand, number one rule of wanting to make money in life is you must stop caring what other people might say. People will always have something to say. I remember when I was sitting in a taxi, I used to admire people driving in the Lamborghinis, in the cars outside. But when I was driving in my own Lamborghini, people in the taxi was admiring me. And the message that came to me was, when I was driving a taxi, people were still gossiping about me. When I was driving a Lamborghini, people will still gossip about me. And so the message is that people will always talk about you. So you are listening today to our listeners. If you want to make money, be serious. Don't care what people say. Don't care who likes you. You want to make money. Money likes you when you like money. That's just the fact. So don't care. Don't worry to what people would say. Don't worry about gossip. Don't gossip about people. Keep your eye on the price. Keep your eye on your hustle. Let them talk. They will always talk. Don't worry to fail. And that's the number one message today. Don't care about failure. You can never be rich if you are scared to be broke. Before your riches, you go through a stage of brokenness. That is just how it works. There's no other way. You gotta be able to lose some in order to gain a lot. So when you go to that phase of brokenness, don't worry. You're making yourself empty so that they can come and fill it up. So in conclusion, I want to say to everybody out there, if you are scared of what people are going to say about you, if you are scared of failure, if you are scared of being to be committed, and lastly and most importantly, see who your partner is. You can't hustle with a person that doesn't understand hustling. Your partner needs to understand that he's never going to be at home. But you know what? When he's going to come home, it's going to be Christmas. Salute.
Salute.
Did you guys hear that?
Which partner you're talking about?
Alright. Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? Guys, you cannot make money part-time. Making money is not a part-time job. Making money is a full-time job. If you want to be rich, you gotta be serious. Go out there and tell yourself that I'm gonna hustle until to the limit. You tell yourself that I'm gonna do this. Stop complaining about foreigners. Stop complaining about people. Stop complaining about people who are not I mean, you've got nothing to do with these people, man. These people are hustling. These people are doing everything in their power to make sure they put food on the table. While you are sitting at home complaining about them. What for? Why are you complaining about them? South Africans, let's stop being lazy. This laziness is a sickness that we have in South Africa. This laziness is something that we have in South Africa. Guys, it's sickness. Laziness is sickness. Guys, can't you stand up? Stand up for your own self. Stand up and do something, man. You want to make money, you're complaining about Nigerians, complaining about Somalians. How many Somalians have got running shops in South Africa? Plenty of them. While you guys are sitting at home, you are just looking at them. You can't do nothing for yourself.